Hey guys, I am Mohammad Altaf and welcome to my channel Live Attitudiously. Today we'll learn how to book Oyo rooms in just few minutes, so stay tuned. Firstly, we are supposed to go to the Play Store and install the Oyo Rooms application from the Play Store. You can see that I am searching for the Oyo Rooms. Yeah, the first one in the suggestion, Oyo find best hotels and rooms at great deals. Here I'll pause the video till the application gets installed. Here, it has been installed. Now by clicking on open, I'll open this application. You can see that the page is loading. Yes. Now, firstly you are supposed to give your mobile number and validate yourself. I have done that procedure, and after validating yourself and entering some credentials, your account will be available now for the use. You can see this is the interface of the Oyo application where you get all the offers, the availability of booking hotels and homes as per your according preferences. You can see you can update, you can receive the updates of the booking hotel on WhatsApp even. Now firstly you are supposed to select the location where you want to book the hotel. You can see all the cities are available: Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Gurgaon, Kolkata, Noida, Pune, Goa and all the other cities, or you can even give your location for getting tracked. Firstly I'll click here some location, that is city, the Hyderabad. Now in Hyderabad it shows you all the popular localities and all the localities. Click on your preferred location. I am clicking here Banjara Hills. Now according to this set preferences, it shows you all the hotels available in the Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. You can see it is showing all the logos of the hotels. Now you can set your preferences, that is 1 rooms or 2 room, or you can see you can update your members, that is 2 adults or 3 adults. You can also update your checkout and check-in time. This is the checkout time and this one is the check-in time. You can increase according to your preferences. Now you can see these are all the hotels available in the Banjara Hills. Yeah, this one looks interesting. Click on that. I'll try to select this one. Now when you click on any hotel, that is the Hotel Gautam Residency, it shows all the features available in the hotel, that is the free Wi-Fi, the complimentary veg breakfast. This hotel also provides AC, power backup, parking facility, TV, geyser, card payments and also the availability of the CCTV cameras. Now it also shows the Oyo Captain Mukesh Sirapu, which will be guiding you through during your stay in the hotel, and it shows the time: 1 classic, 2 room, 1 classic, 2 members, 1 room, according, and which you can set according to your preferences. Here you are getting a complimentary breakfast, and this is the payment details which you are supposed to pay. Amount payable is 1002, and the coupons are also being applied. At the below it gives you the opportunity to apply the coupons, which here I have already applied. If you are paying through Oyo Rupee, that is a deduction of the amount rupees 250. At the below you can see the guest policies which are available. That there are some rules which are set by the hotel and the Oyo room policies. You can see no unmarried couples are allowed, and the validation proof when you reach the hotel. You can see this is the payment according to the offers which has been best provided you. You can also update your other details either. Now and finally I'll tell you how to book a room. That is, at the below you can see the green color bar, that is the book room. On clicking that green color book room, your details will be validated, and if there is an availability of the room, then your room is booked. Okay, I'll try to show you the how to check all the details of the hotel. This is all the details of the hotel, and these are the photographs of the hotel. You can see from that menu. Even if you want to look for good stay in the hotels, you can see all the details respectively. I'll show you how by booking a room in another hotel even. You can see I'll try to show you all the features of this hotel even. It is the capital O. You can see this one. It has all the details provided, and you can select your preferred price at which you want to stay. So by clicking on book room, the room is booked. Yes, thank you. So if you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and do also subscribe my YouTube channel Live Digitally. Thank you guys. To the next video, let's meet back.